Hey, how's it going?
Uh, it's going?
No, no, no. How's it going doesn't mean, is something going? It just means, how are you?
Oh, got it. So I'm supposed to say something like, I'm good, or not bad, right?
Exactly. It's going makes it sound like you're some kind of robot or something.
It's going. Beep boop.
See? Now you're ready to take over the world. But seriously, next time just say, I'm good.
Okay, I've got it. Let me try again.
Go for it.
Hey, how's it going?
Good, thanks. How about you?
I'm good. Not beeping, not booping.
Perfect. And no more robot answers.